How to remove queue on Spotify. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can remove a queue on Spotify. Well, first things first, open up Spotify. If you are listening to a song, there will be queues next. If you scroll down below, you'll be able to find these songs on queues there. So you can see this is the queues. How you can remove it? Well, if you tap and hold on the icon on the right, you'll be able to simply swipe it down below and change the queue. You can also remove it from the queue only if you have got the premium. However, you can see if I want to move this as well, I'll need Spotify premium in order to reorder my queue. So you need Spotify premium, but if you do have premium, you'll be able to remove it like this. So you want to open up the playlist, the song you are playing, open up its particular profile, the song profile page. Once you have played it, then here tap on this particular icon here down below at the bottom right. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.